Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today is going to be a quick little video from a finding that I found in my yard today. Stay tuned.
So welcome back to the Greener Lawn.
Did you say the Greener Lawn? Why would you say
Lawn.
welcome back to the Greener Lawn?
I didn't say that.
That's what it sounded like.
No. So,
right.
Welcome back to the Greener Lawn.
Got roots? Do you have deep, dense roots? Is this a thing in your lawn? I was out in the yard with Matt Goyer. He's one of my subscribers who I really interact with a lot. He was out at my house, we were talking. I saw a patch of clumping fescue in my lawn and I decided that I was gonna pull it out. While pulling it out, it was very difficult to pull out. Let's roll that video and show you what I found. Out my lawn and talking with Matt Goyer.
Hey.
And I decided that I saw a patch of grass I did not like, so I wanted to pull it up. And I just pulled it up and look at this root structure. This is all roots. Like, look at that. Look at that root structure. Holy crap. I just filled the hole. This is the hole it came out of. But that root structure is so matted and so long. How long would you say that actually is?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
That is probably 3 inches.
3 inches of dense root matting. Wow.
I mean, it's thick.
Listen to that rip. Holy crap. Wow. Have you seen anything like that?
I haven't seen anything like that. I've seen long roots, but I haven't seen dense roots like that.
Wow. Look at that dense mat. And the thing about it is that it wasn't just a thin mat, is that it was like 3 inches deep and probably deeper, but I was just hand pulling at it. I was just attacking it. That is absolutely crazy. That is nuts. Look at those bad boys all the way down there.
Let's see if I can take this.
Oh, you can hear them ripping. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
6 inches right there.
Yeah. So 6 inches and still have root growth, have development.
Obviously, there'd be a lot more roots if I shook it rather than tearing it.
Well, yeah, you can hear how they're tearing. Oh, that's definitely, look at how many more roots are up in that area. Wow. That is absolutely bananas. Look at that. And that started, what, about 3.5 inches deep, 3 inches deep?
Yeah.
Wow, that dense root matting.
I mean, I can't even shake the dirt out of it, really.
That is all like root structure. There's just dirt in root structure. That is absolutely bananas. Would you look at that? That is crazy. So what causes our lawns to do this? Cultural practices make the biggest difference in our lawn. So mowing is one of the biggest things that you can do. The more frequently you can do it and the more consistently you can do it, the better your lawn will be. It'll promote better root structure. The biggest thing you can do is to water properly. Watering deeply and infrequently makes the biggest difference. This means 1 to 3 times a week watering and getting our 1 inch of water in. Anything more is a waste. Any more time only keeps your roots up at the surface, does not promote them to go deep and to establish themselves. Another cultural practice that can help your root development is how you limit the intake of synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers can actually hurt and root prune our roots. So taking it easy on fertilizers themselves and helping the soil with amendments goes a long way. That is absolutely crazy to me. those roots, that structure has taken over and established itself over seasons of growth, over seasons of putting stuff down. I personally put down low nitrogen, but I apply a lot of soil amendments. I use the Next product line. I used the Soil Mastery by Anderson's. Are these applications that I'm putting down causing this kind of root mass down subsurface 3 inches? You tell me down in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you guys feel having root mass 3 inches deep and roots upwards of 6 to 8 inches. Let me know what you guys think. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green. Ooh, she hot though. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch, that's hot. Ah, that lawn. Sexy. Ooh, you sexy girl. Ooh, you so nice.